to another episode with the Handyman Geek, the Geekster, the Geek Man. Yeah, okay, we'll stop there. One too many. Anyways, where am I? I'm in the garage. Got my trusty little Tucson here, 16 years old. Not one issue. Way to go, Tucson. Anyways, what are we doing today? Let me explain to you what we're doing today. 2 months ago, the fog lights were kind of going on for a minute, stopped working. Then they got worse. Then they didn't go on. Called my son, the mechanic. Awesome. Came. We noticed a wire right away. Fine. It's the wire, right? So, fixed the wire. They worked. A whole day they worked. No problem. Lo and behold, day after, they didn't work anymore. So, went through all the troubleshooting. Couldn't figure out why. It wasn't the bulbs. Changed the bulbs. Checked all the wiring, the connections. They're all fine, right? So what was it? I don't know. Call my son back. So called my son back. Well, I think we know what the issue is now. Let me show you. So what we noticed here, let me get a light. And see that? That's the ground strap wire. It's totally gone. And that connects somewhere over there. So we're going to change the ground strap wire. So first we're going to take the air intake out. This is the one I put in. It's not from Hyundai. That's just a sticker. I bought a universal one with a Canon cone. I put that in many years ago. So we're just going to undo this, pull out this whole unit. This way we have a lot more room, and we're going to change that ground strap wire. Okay, so let's start here. So we need to first undo that clip, undo this hose, pull those two out, and undo that nut, screw, whatever, and take this whole thing out. I gotta wash it anyways. I wash it every spring, so it's a good time. So let's do that first. So what we're going to do first is just, sorry, one hand while I hold my my phone to record. Basically, we're just going to pull and move it away from the hose, right? So that will come on. There we go. That's one. Now let's get a screwdriver or a ratchet and take that one out. So we got the first one out. Let's do the second one. That's already loose. There we go. Those two are out. Now let's do that one. Okay. So we get in there. Undo it until it should be loose enough already. No, I'm not. Loosen it a little bit more. All right, that's loose enough. Let me just get my glove on here, get a better grip. I can cut off later. Okay, I'm gonna need two hands, so let me stop it and start it again. So, after a little bit, there we go. So let's put that aside. I'll wash that later. All right, so there's the one connection right there. And the other one is somewhere, so I saw it. All right, let me find it. 1 second. Okay, and how stupid am I looking over here? Well, it's right there. Let me show you. Let me put this. This is one connection. The other connection is right there. So it goes from there to here. So that to that. So it's not very far. So all I have to do is get that screw in there, that bolt, and this one's right here. So this one should be easy. So let's see if I can get in there. So let's take this one out first. Let me move that light somewhere where it doesn't fall in the engine bay, and then I'm gonna have to go find it. Let me see if I can do this one hand or not. No, it's pretty stuck. Give me 1 second. So since it's been in there for 16 years, I got it out. Nice clean spot compared to the rest of the car, eh? But anyways, look at that. Let me show you in the light. It got frayed pretty good, I guess. Oops, over time. So I got the little nut, and now I'm gonna figure out exactly how to get the other side out. So let me work on that. So, got the right connectors, got the right extension, and it's coming out. Okay, so before I lose it, let me use 2 hands to get that nut out. It's already loose. And there we go. Let's put that in there. Don't know how that happened. I guess time, wear and tear. It's okay. I got the nut, sorry. So let's open this guy up. And here's the new cable. And like I said, it's just a ground strap cable. 2 ends, universal. Doesn't matter which side goes what. So yeah, I'm just gonna thread in the first piece, the hard piece, on the inside first, and then we'll continue from there. Also, make sure, don't worry about that wire. Make sure it's nice and clean. You don't want the ground strap to touch dirt. So clean it really good first, both spots, till you see silver again, and then put it back. Okay, so I got basically it started, so it's in there now. So let me just finish tightening it with 2 hands because it's obviously not grabbing. Okay, so got the second one in. Just gonna tighten it nice and tight. Here we go. We're in. I got all my tools and shit. So anyways, it's in there. It's in there. Will this solve my fog light problem? Well, tell you what. Let's go clean the air filter first. We'll put that back in, right? And then we'll try turning on the fog lights. Those guys. All right, so let's clean that guy first. You don't need to see that. That's just washing stuff. So, one thing I want to mention is when you're doing stuff like this, changing the ground strap, always make sure to take off the negative terminal of your battery, okay? Now, I did not, and some of you are probably thinking, you dumbass, you didn't take off the negative terminal of the battery before doing the ground strap. And you're right, I didn't, because I have this device. And this device is basically a kill, which basically disables the negative terminal. And I have a remote for it, and that's why it was off, right? So I did actually kill the negative terminal on the battery with the remote, and I didn't have to undo the whole thing. So that's why. So if you don't have some sort of kill device for your negative terminal, make sure you take off the black cable from your battery before doing the ground strap, just in case shocks, whatever. It's rare, it could happen. I did read about it, it said to do it. So again, I didn't, I have the kill switch, okay? So, and that's because of my lights and stuff. When I park, some of these lights stay on. So anyways, besides the point, battery negative terminal off before doing the ground strap. Okay, so now I did put the tube for the air intake back. I strapped it on there. I put the hoses back. You don't need to see that. It's just basically screw that in, clip that in, you're done. The filter itself is drying. So once it's dry, we'll slide that back in and we'll test it out. Okay, filter's back in. Cable's in, down there. Clean spot it's connected to. Gotta fix all these loose wires. But that's my problem, don't worry. That's me doing crazy shit. But anyways, filter's clean, it's back in. So there you go. As long as the cable's done, I'm not even worried about the fog lights. If they work, great. If they don't, it's okay. We'll worry about it. We'll test them later. And there you go. So that's how you change a, what do you call it? Ground strap cable or something like that. So fun job. Everything's back to normal. I have to clean the filter anyways, so it's good. Yeah, it's cold. It's April in Canada. What are you gonna do? It's like 3 degrees Celsius right now. So I'm just trying to stay warm. So anyways, got some fun-filled projects coming. Till next time, I don't know what I'm doing, but be kind. It's a wonderful life. Enjoy it, okay? And thank you to 45 subscribers. Appreciate it. Hopefully you get something out of this. And we'll talk to you guys all soon, okay? Ciao, folks.